witch hat and I'm making a little witchy dessert. So today I'm gonna make little mummy pretzel rods. So it's basically white chocolate covered pretzels. So I have these little sprinkles. I don't have eyes, so I'm gonna take all the some of the white balls out and I'm gonna put those on to look like eyes. I have a little black if I wanna do the pupil. I have the coconut oil to help melt the white chocolate. I don't have a microwave, so doing it all on the stove. Yes, all these are basically full, so that's really good. All right, well, first step, melt the chocolate. I'm gonna melt half this bag of chocolate. It's 11-ounce bag, so 5.5 ounces. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. Okay, follow me to the stove. Oh shit, they burned immediately. Alright, so I usually double boil this, but for some reason I thought it would work without double boiling it, and as you can see it burned immediately. So I just, he was on for like 1 minute. Whatever. We're going with it. So take some of this, got these cute little Halloween bags, open it up. For the very end, but I wanted to just get it ready now. And in the meantime, I was going to, get the eyeballs ready. So get some of these balls ready. You ever just eat sprinkles? All right, so what do you need to do? Let's see how this works. I have no idea. So you kind of just want to twirl it like this, so it looks like a mummy. You can just you just want to twirl the stick, basically. It's way too thick. There you go, this is what you do. You just twirl the stick and keep going. Yeah, this is already cooling off, so it's, oh jeez. Okay. Plan B, we're just gonna cover this in white chocolate, hopefully a little even. Okay. Whatever, we're just gonna put it down. It's our only option. So coat basically half the pretzel in white chocolate. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick this up and shoot. Okay, let me reheat this for like half a second. So I just put this on the stove to get the chocolate warm again, so you can see, because it was totally hardening up. But yay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick this up. I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth. Oh geez, try not to get big chunks. So over the whole thing. So it kind of looks like the wrapped mummy look. Alright, now let's try these two little red eyes, see if they... Oh, it's pretty scary. Let's see, put this little thing on here. Oh, it's pretty good. Alright, then we'll just, yeah, it's still kind of gooping, so we're just gonna set it down. They're not gonna be perfect. Go around. Alright, let's try little white eyes this time. Jeez, I'm really shaky out of nowhere. So that's pretty good. See how quick I can do this. I'm gonna have to eat that one, that was a dud. Some of them are very sad, but some of them look great. If some of the white chocolate burned, it definitely still tastes pretty good, so that was really fucking good. I'm proud of these. I think they came out really well. There's one. We can honestly almost name all of them. Okay. Yeah, this guy. So it's pretty much dry, so look how cute this is. You stick them in here. Well, they're not 100% dry yet, so I'm not going to, but this is the idea. Two cute little mummy sticks, and they're gonna be delicious. So thank you for watching my Halloween episode. Hope you ate a lot of candy. See you next time.